Gun-Vue is a toolkit that we are making for developing on gun applications. So application with graph and this, encryption and all the fun stuff. And yeah, there is a lot of features that I'm proud of. And one of the main is that it's just single HTML file around 1.7 megabytes. Uh, you can basically put it on a floppy disk, with some compression. So, and it has so much that I cannot just describe it just shortly, but yeah, basically it is providing the peer-to-peer solution for many of the problems that we had as developers for web applications. So now we can just forget about backend and have just a super powerful front end. And this is the demo application that is developed with all of those components and that we provide. And this is to showcase what we can do with Gun-Vue. And yeah, let's go and just uh, try to use it here. So yeah, we can generate a new avatar and you can see these colors. Yeah, we've updated the library here, so we already have the same generation right there. uh, but also here we have this wonderful button. So we cannot press it right now because we need to put our name. So let's choose some we let's okay let's see, let's choose our name. So I will be Davay and I want to use passkeys. So you see now a passkey Davay will be added. So let's do it. Okay, we're adding this. So this is my avatar generated from my passkey, and this I can use across devices already because now we have the majestic and so cool. Oh, why did I log out? No. Okay, let's log in back again. So yeah, here we go. Yes, yes. So we're back, and yeah, so it's cool. We can open this in a PW app uh, and use it right there. This is a little bit confusing, this UI, but yeah, I will just yeah do this for now. So what we have is a PWA application. So it's installed via Chrome easily. So you just go to Gun.Vue app, and yeah, there will be an icon in Chrome. There will be an icon to install it. It's so easy. You can do it at any time, and then you can have the same functionality installed here. But it's not limited to just being in a separate window, because now if I set the password for my keypair, then I can store it as before. So this is my encrypted keypair. I just copy it. I could copy it, yes. I could share it with, I could just send it to my messenger. And now you can download it with a WebKey file. This is quite interesting. But let's go and see what we have more. So we can copy a link that will be just used to log in, or we can have a share uh, opportunity, so we can share this link that will lead us. Okay, let's just try to, let's just go to this link. Let's just copy this link and go here and go into that link. So we just need to put this password, and we're back in our account. This is that simple. And you can download it as a yes, as a weblog. So this file You can double click it, and it will open in your default browser. Yeah, that is for me is Firefox, but yeah, sure, if you open it with Chrome, yeah, you will get the same functionality. So you get back um, to the browser. But if you want to come back to the web application, then you just do it. Let's log out from the account and even close the app. And we have this web key. Let's click it. Oh, let's click it again. Yes, yes. You see, yeah, I will check why not first click, but uh, um, we're almost there. Yep, yep. Hello, we're back. So basically, this web key becomes like a link, like a shortcut, the shortest path. I will debug this moment. Yeah, this is just a small minor problem to your account. So this is your key that you kind of possess, and this is already kind of complex and interesting ecosystem of available options. And you can see that there's more, and you can just, yes, sure, just share this QR code, and you will get the same prompt. So it will be just the link here encoded. And also, yes, for sure, you can use the avatar. So you can download the PNG, you can download SVG. Uh, no, it was again. Yes, SVG. Uh, with some error. I will check it out later. Okay, this is needs debugging, but yeah, you can share again that PNG image with friends and with yourself. So the main thing is this PNG file. Okay, this is important. So any of these any of these files are very nice and comfortable to be stored. Of course, you can really go and just have a decrypted keypair. So, whoop, he, there it is. It's blurred now because it's for your safety and for my safety because now I have this keypair here, but there is really the full keypair. So, with no password. And for example, if I just want to download that one, okay, yes, this key, this will not ask me any questions. This is not safe, but look at this. Yeah, it's just this fun. So if you trust your environment, if you know that this web key won't leak anywhere, this is just the fastest way to get into your this account. And for example, you can just go and create a new account. Why not? Uh, and just yeah, you can derive it now because now we have a derivation function, and this is very important. This is very important thing to explore because now we can generate a key pair from any arbitrary data. So, for example, this is a key pair for my friends to share. For example, I have this, and I just need to know only this knowledge, and I will generate this derive user here. So derive user is this guy. And let's log out and just go and derive it again. So um you can and like someone else can derive this same key pair with the private key also from this phrase. So this is very powerful because here you just open and start and you have this information encrypted by this key pair, and this is like a private messages to yourself, and this is just normal for modern communication. But yeah, you can find other users there in Gun.Vue and just have a talk with them. And yeah, this is really powerful. And yeah, let's go do it. So now we can just go and yeah, let's reuse some of those key pairs. And I like this guy. This is very, fun guy. We fun guy. Okay, I will just update the page to reset and orange. Let him be orange. Okay, so I will go to the space and see that there is this guy. There is this guy, and let's say hi. DM. Let's be just direct and let's say hello to this guy and start chatting with this person. And we don't have any notification, but yeah, if you come here, you will see that there's someone here there out there, and yeah, it's totally voluntarily for you if you wanna engage in that communication. Sometimes you have to refresh the page. Yeah, and what up? Maybe it's your brother, maybe it's the one guy that you want to meet. So you have encrypted communication channel. Yeah, it's so powerful and it's done with just a phrase. So it's very, very, very important to be knowledgeable and about that you can like it's up to you how to manage all these opportunities because yeah, you can just use a passkey, right? And just get back to your one of those accounts, or go to any of these pathways. And using keys without password is dangerous, and you should avoid this. And yeah, let's make a keypair with encrypted um, avatar, for example, with yeah, this same user, Orange, will have this as encrypted avatar. So it will be much safer, and we can just drop it here and enter the password. Yeah, so you can just explore all this by yourself in our docs, and docs are not that much updated, but yeah, the passkeys and everything is in our um, code, and I will update releases, and probably it will all go into version 0.25, I believe. Yeah, but for now, yeah, everything is working pretty reliably, and you can just go and browse this code, and basically all of this important knowledge is just right there in use auth and use credentials and use passkeys. So passkeys is just only this. And I boiled down to this 1 kilobyte code for long and big research because it's not easy to get all these things and to understand how it is viable for us in peer-to-peer uh, world. But I believe we cracked the authentication for Gun and Gun-Vue, and this is a really important step because now we can just build on top of it without thinking too much about like how to store keypairs, how to derive them. Yeah, and also about derivation, I would yeah show you that this is already npm JS. Yes, let's go. It's already there. So add Gun-Vue slash gun es, you can find this key derivation function that can be used in any circumstance. So it's this separate file. So if you don't import it, it doesn't load in basic gun es, and also it can be tree shaken. So you just provide a string of password and an array of extra entropy, and then you can just have a pair. Yeah, it's that easy. And with a pair, you can do whatever. So this is dangerous if you just use one word, like one letter or a simple string without extra entropy. So because anyone can derive such a key. I believe there is some space for it to exist, if you have some public keys that you just can go and you know that they are there. The knowledge that is stored there is still accessible. So yeah, it's fun, but yeah, it's all provenant, has all the provenance, and you can see where and when it was built. And so if you trust me, basically as a developer and gun community, for the analysis of all this seems quite secure. And with all of this, we can go and start building fun and useful applications for our users and also for the agents, because these could be very easily and recognizable faces, I would say, for your agents, that will have their key, but maybe won't have their own name yet. So you can just look at that and recognize them, because they are very, very, very recognizable and very, very different. So you can enjoy and generate as many as you want. You can store the ones that you like, and who knows? Maybe someday they will cost something on our market. I don't know, token market or something. Uh, just stay tuned and yeah, try it out. Just on npm, look at the repo, or just open this code pen to explore all the possibilities that are accessible with just one line of import and one function. Yeah, enjoy gun authentication and gun avatar in your projects, and see you in next updates. Bye.